Hello everyone. Today I am doing a room tour. I love room tours. I'm probably like the proudest of my room I've ever been recently. It's just so me and I love it. Here it is. Okay, here's the door to my room. So we have my little backpack. Don't know how to say it, but you know what I mean. Here I have a sign that says good vibes. It's crooked and I'm not gonna fix it because I'm not tall enough. But I have it so that when I leave my room, I get good vibes. It doesn't work, but it's the thought that counts. Then we got this mirror. Look at my outfit. This is literally my favorite outfit ever. It's probably just from TJ Maxx. I'm actually not sure. And I put a vine of leaves from Michael's. I really like the way it looks. I love like fake plants. They're kind of all over my room, which you guys will see. Then we got my bed. I spend a majority of my time here. I love my bed. And then my Polaroid wall. It's really growing and it's gonna continue growing. So I'm excited about that. I've been trying to take more pictures and I still need to, but I'm very proud. We got these. Let me do a little up close. I don't really know what they are. Let's call them mood boards. I made them all like in the summer or just anytime last year really. I have a yellow one. It's just a bunch of stuff I saw online and people I love. Here it's black and white with some accents of yellow and red. And then this pink one, which is my favorite. I just love the way it looks and I like how they all look together above my bed. I have 3 blankets because as you know, I don't sleep under the covers, so I sleep under these blankets. My comforter is satin because satin is my favorite material ever. The only downside is that I like slip around a lot, but maybe that's a good thing. Then we have a husband. I love this one. We have some fairy lights that I never turn on, but I turned on for the sake of this video and my phone. Here we got a little crescent moon that I also never turn on but did for the video. 3 books because I like the way they look. We have my retainer, my sleeping mask, my remotes, my Echo or my Alexa. What's up, girl? And then a fake little plant and a bunch of cords because we're keeping it real, you know how it is. A window. Then we have this like chest. It is all my pants. It's kind of a mess, but I do have a lot of pants. And it makes this weird sound when I open it, listen. Like, what is that? Then, on top of my chest is where I'm standing. But in the corner of the room, we have this little paint drip art piece that my friend Olivia made. And then this I made in 8th grade and it's kind of cringe, but like, still. Then I have this huge ladder of jewelry. Then we got my big camera and lights for when I use my big camera. And this is a microphone, by the way. Here, we got an extra canvas just in case I make another one of those. We got these drawers that I used to be obsessed with. I got them probably like 5 years ago. And we have a Lazy Susan. This is what a Lazy Susan is, if you don't know what it is. It just spins around. Then a bunch of hair ties and clips. These are some vitamins I take every night. They're supposed to like give me energy. I don't know, it says dietary, but I don't know. We got my hydro flask because I am a VSco girl. It's where I keep all my makeup brushes. This is my mirror. I use it every day and it lights up. Then we got some bulletin boards. It just has like photo booth pictures. Like I really love these. This Polaroid from literally 6th grade. Just some random stuff that I like to keep and look at. And then this is my desk. It used to be blue and then we painted it white. Oh, also I forgot to mention in here I keep my makeup and other things. Under here we have SAT books, yearbooks, and then all my textbooks right there. And this chair I just got for Christmas. It looks like this and I always put my jean jacket over it. Pretty comfy and small. Over here it's a little bit of a mess. We have a candle that I haven't burned in like years. Some stickers, oil blotting sheets, camera battery clips, fake plant. This is for like my computer because it doesn't have a plug. Then a trash that's super full right now and I'm probably gonna get yelled at for it. Then this thing that my brother made a few years ago and I keep my straightener in there. And this wand from when I was in the 7th grade play. Here we have my closet with my mini backpack and a Free People bag. We got some shoes and some clothes. And now we're at my favorite wall in my room. I just love it. I want to show you guys the whole thing. Like, I just love this wall. I have all my disposables. Just such good memories. This was all in the summer, by the way. I love how I like made it kind of like all over the place, not like in a perfect line or anything. Just gives me good vibes. And then this moon thing from Urban and some more disposables. I just love the way it looks and I love how it's all in the summer. I got this dresser probably a year ago. It's from like Raymore and Flanagan. These are the inside of the drawers. This is actually my only real plant. This is my Polaroid camera that I use to take all those with. And then my disposable that I barely used because I got it in the beginning of the school year, waiting for good events for that. Another fake plant, a rock from some country, I don't know where. This candle that I haven't burned yet, but I really want to. And then this elephant is from my great aunt and uncle's house. My TV, which I've been trying to get my dad to put on the wall for maybe 5 years and he still hasn't. Some necklaces that I wear a lot. My wallet, fake plant, this gratitude jar that I haven't put anything in like a year. And then this is something I made. You like shake it and it's supposed to like calm you down. And at the top it says, "You got it, sis." This is a fake candle, it's marble. This little cactus thing that I keep rings on, or really anything else. And another fake plant, this little tiny like ring dish that I keep brandy stickers in, oil blotting sheets, and teeth whitening strips. And this is my hamper. That is my room. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. I probably did, just knowing me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys liked my room. I love my room. Comment down below your favorite thing in your room. Mine is my disposable camera wall. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to, at kellmargot, and TikTok at kellmargot.